Altherma, Daikin brings a new solution for residential heating. Altherma is an aerothermal heat pump system. It uses heat from the outside air to heat up the water circuit for space heating and domestic hot water preparation. This makes Altherma an excellent choice if you're looking for an economical solution that keeps your energy bills low in spite of increasing energy prices. Altherma is also an ecological advanced system as it contributes to reduce CO2 emissions. Since residential heating is one of the major sources of CO2 emissions, European and national legislation sets higher standards for the energy performance of buildings and for the efficiency of boilers. Condensing boilers are today the most popular solution. But these condensing boilers have the disadvantage of using fossil fuels as primary energy. In addition, the possibilities to further improve their efficiency are limited. The much higher efficiency of heat pumps makes them quickly gain market share in residential heating. Geothermal heat pumps extract heat from ground or water. The space required for their heat collector probe, as well as the significant installation costs, are limiting the market for geothermal heat pumps. Altherma combines high efficiency, no direct use of fossil fuels, an attractive price and total comfort. For its development, Daikin could fall back on 50 years of innovation and large-scale production of heat pumps for air conditioning. The Altherma system is composed of an outdoor unit and an indoor unit, which can be combined with a specific domestic hot water tank. The system is used in connection to the heat emitters chosen by the end user. These can be underfloor loops, low-temperature radiators, or fan coil units. The outdoor unit extracts calories available in the outside air. With the help of a compressor, the outdoor unit brings this heat to higher temperatures suitable for residential heating. Compared to geothermal heat pumps, this outdoor unit offers consumers easy installation at significantly lower costs, as well as the flexibility of use in residences without a garden. The indoor unit, called Hydrobox, transfers this heat to the water circuit connected to the heat emitters. The reversible type of Hydrobox can change the direction of heat transfer to provide cooling when required. Unlike combustion boilers, this Hydrobox does not require ventilation. When Altherma is combined with a specially designed domestic hot water tank, the available calories taken from the outside air can be used to prepare domestic hot water. These high-quality tanks are made from stainless or enameled steel in order to sustain all water qualities. The range of tanks meets virtually all domestic warm water requirements. The Altherma system goes beyond other heating systems, since it gives end users space heating and the options of domestic hot water and cooling mode. Altherma brings water to temperatures of 25 to 55 degrees Celsius, suitable for residential heating. When Altherma detects a demand for domestic hot water, it switches automatically from the space heating mode to the domestic hot water preparation mode. The Hydrobox directs the heat from the water circuit for space heating to the domestic hot water tank in order to heat the water up to 50 degrees Celsius. For rapid heat up or to reach higher temperatures, for instance during tank disinfection, an integrated booster heater provides additional capacity. Altherma supplies up to 435 litres of warm water per draft, depending on the selected tank size and set point temperature. For cooling, The reversible hydrobox directs warm water between 5 and 18 degrees Celsius through the fan coil units. For moderate cooling, 18 to 22 degrees Celsius water can be circulated through the floor loops. Altherma switches from the cooling mode to the domestic hot water preparation mode when required. Daikin's advanced technology results in a significantly higher efficiency for Altherma than any condensing boiler, even higher than other aerothermal heat pumps. Higher efficiency means less energy consumption. Altherma combines its high efficiency with total comfort. Daikin's inverter compressor is the major contributor to Altherma's efficiency and comfort. The inverter compressor adapts its rotation speed to exactly match the heat output with the demand. This makes the heat pump run with the highest possible efficiency under all conditions. Thanks to the floating set point technology, the outlet water temperature of the hydrobox can be dependent of the outdoor temperature. At higher outdoor temperatures, when less heating is required, the hydrobox outlet water temperature can decrease, thereby improving the heat pump's efficiency. Altherma's advanced control strategy maximizes comfort and energy efficiency by steering the system switches between the heating or cooling mode and the domestic hot water mode. To meet specific end-user needs, this control strategy can be customized via the user interface on the hydrobox. The domestic hot water tank maximizes the energy savings by means of its optimal placement of the heat exchanger, the temperature sensor, and the booster heater, combined with its control strategy. The placement of the heat coil in the lower part of the tank maximizes the contribution of the heat pump to the domestic hot water preparation. The integrated booster heater in the upper part contributes to higher water temperatures or rapid water heating in the event of high hot water demands. Altherma maximizes comfort by giving the option of cooling on top of space heating and domestic hot water production. With the help of the user interface on the hydrobox, the end user can customize the Altherma system for maximum efficiency operations, as well as for the configuration of time-based actions. For example, to reduce the temperature during nighttime or absence, to set specific time frames for the preparation of domestic hot water, or to activate the night operation mode at reduced sound levels. Combining Altherma with the Daikin wired or wireless room thermostats maximizes the system's flexibility by allowing almost unlimited possibilities in single or multiple zone temperature control for heating and cooling. Altherma offers the flexibility of different configuration possibilities. Altherma is the perfect solution for low-temperature heating in a newly built house and can replace existing heating systems if the heat emitters are dimensioned for low-temperature heating. In the mono-energetic configuration, Altherma's heat pump is dimensioned to cover 80 to 90% of the seasonal heating demand. The heat pump is combined with an electric heater to support the occasional peaks in demand. This configuration gives substantial energy savings whilst controlling the investment cost. Altherma can also be used in a bivalent configuration, in addition to an existing heating installation, in order to reduce energy consumption. When Altherma is placed in parallel, the existing installation will provide the heating during the peaks in demand, whilst Altherma will provide heating during the majority of the heating season, thereby reducing energy consumption. Altherma can be used in a monovalent configuration. In this case, the heat pump is the only heat generator in the system and is dimensioned to cover the most extreme heating requirements of the coldest day of the year. Although this monovalent system results in the highest energy savings, the heat pump has overcapacity for the majority of the heating season and comes at a higher investment cost than in the mono-energetic configuration. Altherma combines high efficiency, no direct use of fossil fuels, an attractive price, and total comfort. For its development, Daikin could fall back on 50 years of innovation and large-scale production of heat pumps for air conditioning. Daikin's advanced technology results in a significantly higher efficiency for Altherma than any condensing boiler, even higher than other aerothermal heat pumps. Higher efficiency means less energy consumption. Altherma is an aerothermal heat pump system. Instead of burning fossil fuels, heat from the outside air is used to heat up the water circuit for space heating and domestic hot water preparation. Compared to geothermal heat pumps, Altherma offers consumers easy installation at significantly lower costs, as well as the flexibility of use in residences without a garden. Altherma is a total comfort system. It gives the option of cooling on top of space heating and domestic hot water production.